this video, I'm sorry guys, but I'm going to be bouncing around to different bikes just so that basically I can record my intro, and also I need to get all my bikes running, especially my Triumph. That poor Triumph just sits. Here's an interesting fact. I just found this out. Did you guys know that Howie Mandel is the voice for Gizmo in Gremlins? That was mind-blowing to me.
Pretty neat, huh?
Figured I'd share that with you guys. I probably shouldn't. This bike ride's so nice. By the way, sorry guys for the audio quality. I noticed in my last video there's a lot of clipping going on, so in this video I decided to tuck my mic behind the left cheek pad, and that made my voice muffled, so now we're back to square one. I'd rather have the clipping than the muffled voice. There we go. Look at that. Oh, sorry, Marty. Didn't mean to tear up your grass. You little... Alright, one more. One more. Un más. Ooh. Almost dropped that one. Can't end on a bad note, right? Let's go for one more. So, that was a good one. Now let's roll. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just be chilling.
I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
This wouldn't be considered reckless driving, would it? I don't think it would. I mean, I'm going the speed limit, I'm not swerving all over the place, and I still got full control. Maybe I should drive by a cop and find out. You guys see that 9/11 mattress sale? I cannot believe that mattress company thought that was a good idea. They're probably just thinking like, oh, how do we stand out from the other companies? What can we do to get guys in here and buy mattresses? Well, Georgie in the corner is probably like, hey, I got a good idea. How about we have a sale on mattresses on 9/11? Well, hold on, wait. I got an even better idea to add on to that. How about, for our advertisement, how about at the end of the video, we have two guys knock over a tower of mattresses, two of them, and then have somebody say, we'll never forget. Yeah, great idea, yeah. Way to go, George. I just can't believe it. That is just like the most disrespectful thing I've ever seen. And I don't think it was a case of too soon. Like, I just don't see any point in the future where a 9/11 sale would be a good idea. I'm gonna try and stand this up on its 12 bar. There we go. Well, it's not exactly sitting at 12. Oh, that's why. The license plate is in the way. Otherwise it might. Making weird noises now. Oh, wakey wakey. Let's go, Mogwai. Time to enjoy this beautiful weather. Oh, that's a sweet truck. Oh, that poor bird. Poor little guy.
Oh, little bugger.
Oh, I don't even want to touch it. Oh, that poor guy. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, I don't know. Just so you guys know, the bird's fine. I did end up going back. Luckily it wasn't squashed, and what I did is I came right up to it and I just tapped it a couple times and it just flew right off and into the tree. So I don't know what was up with the bird. I think it must have had a death wish, but the bird's okay. Here's Triumphant Tina. Just kidding, I don't have a name for this bike. Let's get some sick nasty shots here. Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Come on now, she looks pretty, doesn't she? Just look at that exhaust. I just love that, man. I just love the triple theme that's going on with this. You got the 3 lights up front. You got the 3 little dashes up here, little gauges. And you got the triple exhaust. I mean, it's just beautiful.
Oh, baby, a triple!
Let's get it. Let's get it. Did I lose my hat? I think I lost it. I gotta turn back around. Just means another quick speed run. Oh man, I love this bike. Alright, where'd that hat go? That hat though! There it is! There's my hat! Hey! At least it's on the side of the road. Put you away. You've been naughty.
You've been bad.
Don't you ever run off of me like that again. But though. Alright. Let's head home.